Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers important MCQs for online exam for PHP on topics arrays and built-in functions. Let's begin. First question is how to define a function in PHP. Answer is D. First function keyword, then name of the function, and brackets parameters, in curly brackets body of the function. Next question is PHP's numerically indexed array begin with position. Answer is C, 0. So by default indexing starts with 0. Let's move to the next one. Third question is what will be the output of the following PHP code? In the given code, two functions are given. A is the function. B function is inside function A. Inside B function there is echo statement, and outside B function there is again one echo statement of A function. End of the function call is to the B and A function. Here answer is C, that is error will occur because call to undefined function, that is B, is first. You cannot call a function which is inside a function without calling the outside function first. So it should be A then B instead of B and A. Next one is which type of function call is used in line 8 in the following PHP code. In the given code, find type of function call. Answer is A, that is call by value. In a function call by value, values are passed in the arguments which are stored or copied into the formal parameters of the function. Next one is a function in PHP which starts with double underscore is known as, answer is A, magic function. Magic functions in PHP starts with double underscore. Next question is what will be the output of the following PHP code? In the given code there is one function, one echo statement inside the function. Outside the function there is one variable. Function name is assigned to variable and function is called using the variable. Your answer is D, that is will this work? So it is possible to call a function using a variable which stores the function name. So function name can be stored in a variable and with the help of the variable function is called. Question number 7 is what will be the output of the following PHP code? In this code there is one array and echo statement. The output of the program will be B. It is multi-dimensional array, that is it contains arrays of arrays. First it will traverse Karnataka and will get the value of population. Next question is which of the following PHP will run true if a variable is an array or false if it is not an array? Answer is array function. So this is inbuilt function in PHP which is used to check whether a variable is array or not. Next one is which inbuilt function will add a value to the end of an array? Answer is D, array underscore push function. It adds a value to the end of the array, returning the total count of elements in the array after the new value has been added. Next one is what will be the output of the following code? In this example there is one array and one echo statement where array underscore search function is used. Answer will be D, that is 2. Array underscore search function searches an array for specified value. So here value given is Tamil Nadu and array passed is $state. So this will return its key if located. In other case, false. So here key for Tamil Nadu will be 2. That is for Karnataka 0, Goa 1 and Tamil Nadu 2. Next question is, which of the following function is used to get the value of the previous element in an array? Answer is priv function. It returns the previous element in the array. 12th question is, which of the functions is used to sort an array in descending order? Answer is C, that is rsort function. The function sort, first one, sorts the array in ascending order. Next function, that is rsort function, this sorts the array in descending order. Asort function, this sort associative arrays in ascending order according to the value. Next one is, which function should we use to sort the array in natural order? Answer is C, nat case sort. Nat case sort function in PHP sorts the array by using natural order algorithm. All the values keep their original keys. Last question is, which of the following are correct ways of creating an array? The correct way of creating an array here is 3 and 4. Answer is A. A variable name should start with $, which is not present in option 1. You need to put a square bracket when you use the array constructor. Hit the like button, share and subscribe. Keep watching.